Hello everyone and happy Halloween! Today I'm here with the sixth and last project of the mini series. Is a double foldable paper tower. It looks like you see here. It's made of two identical pieces that are connected to each other with magnets. And in this video we will do together one of them and then we will decorate them together, embellish them. So it measures 40 centimeters when they are connected, and of course they fold down flat. So this is one of them folded down, and now I'm folding down the other one. I really hope you are excited to see how I'm making this. And what I wanted to tell you is that they are a great add-on to any project that is either 6 by 6 or bigger. So of course you can include this on a cover. This is how it unfolds now. So I'm showing you how you open them. Or of course inside any page of an album. This is actually where I've seen it in a showcase in one of Rosa Kelly's albums. I'm sure she has a tutorial for it, but for the member of her channel, I am not one. But that it was a challenge for me to try to do it. And from now on, I'm just letting you enjoy. And I thank you so much for sticking to the end of the series, and I hope it has inspired you. thank you so much again, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye, and happy Halloween again.